A red warty thing.
That sounds better, right?
Yeah.
Hello again. This is the Guillory's, and we're doing my garden box.
With no red warty thing.
Yeah, it's pretty big. And then all of a sudden there's red warty seeds in there. Okay, whew, this is a big one.
It's a bit too late for that.
And let's see what our project
They
is.
said they have to be sewed after last
This month.
Yes.
frost giant.
Frost giant around the
No,
castle
my
perimeter.
guardian squirgles.
Oh, no! This box is huge.
This box is gigantic, yeah.
Aren't they garden box? My
Pretty
garden
big, but
boxes?
was it this big last time?
I have no idea. It is pretty big.
Okay, let's see what the project is. Okay.
Carpet's
Mother,
going
may I go outside and garden? Mother, may I? Whatever. Okay. So let's see. The product is components, concepts, and care tips. Thrower plant variety, filler plant variety, spiller plant variety, AquaSave cocoa basket, care and assembly, soil, pine bark, water and worm, plant tags, garden marker, garden gift. There's an age-old recipe for planting containers that's as relevant today as ever. Using the thriller, filler, and spiller concept, a container garden can become greater than the sum of its parts. The thriller just obscenely still in the show, but its function is one more of a gateway to the container. So, we're going to use like cocoa baskets, and we're going to put things in them. So it shows thriller plant, the filler plant, and the spiller plant, and this is what they look like. So, one is the sport or offshoot of the famed purple fountain grass. Then there's the berry chiffon, is a bushy, compact, and long flowered variety. And then the gorgeous variety with creamy white margin with silvery reflections. Okay, so, and then this is basically what we're gonna do. Okay, so, first thing is the aluminum garden label. So this is a big label. Okay, Adrian.
Guardian squirrel.
Oh. What is this, an apron?
A pair of pants. No, it's
an
apron.
apron.
A pair of pants. So it's an apron.
Oh, it has pockets too.
Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. It's a gardening apron, that's why.
Santa Rosa Gardens.
So there you go, and it's pockets for your tools.
It smells like dirt.
It does, because the dirt's in
But
the
like
box.
a good smelling dirt.
Yeah. Stain release technology.
I guess how good dirt smells depends on when you want to when you're expecting to smell it.
You guys
or not.
smell it? Smells like the earth. Okay, Carissa, try not to get the squiggles everywhere.
Oh, I like the Guardian squeak.
Here is a bag of bark, it looks like.
Okay, so there's some wood chips for bark.
Oh, with Guardian squiggles in my lap.
Oh, I love that. I want these Guardian squiggles from Milner, too.
Okay. There's the
Yeah,
plant
Milner
box.
would love them and appreciate them.
Oh, Milner's so cute. He's so cute. When I'm holding him, and
Uh-oh, a candle.
Means it's not getting enough light. Does it go off?
There's a candle right there.
Or it may mean it's just putting extra light in there. Because Adrian's was dark at first, but then the next day it came out better. Because sometimes it takes the whole day to process on YouTube.
I moved mine around a bit too.
Yeah.
Like the front of my room's darker than the back of my room. I think my light bulb is just going dim.
Guess it came back.
Okay, so the packing material, and I think there's 3 plants, so we can each pick out one. I think this is the ivy, and it's poison ivy. No, just kidding. It's ivy.
Don't let Snoopy bite it.
Oh, look, Snoopy's up here instead of Muffin.
Yep. Come on, Snoopy, get down. Go.
Dear confetti.
So this is the iris, the ivy. She was for.
Wakes
I'm
up
sorry.
Ivy.
Okay.
Stay behind there. It's getting your eye.
Oh,
Okay, go ahead. Nothing.
I don't. What plant is this?
Oh, this on the paper to show you.
I think this is the
Did you
Real-
fight?
the Penicitum skyrocket. This sport or offshoot of the famed purple fountain grass boasts bright green and pristine white variegated foliage that fires fusillades of pink projectile plumes during summer.
Projectile plumes, cool.
What is the pocket? My pocket?
And here's the next one. It's in this little baggie. This baggie.
So here it's been raining for what, a week now?
Yeah.
Jeez.
On and off.
On and off. And our ceiling is coming down. Oh, we've had one of those. They're kind of like spider plants, but they grow stuff right up.
So is this the berry chipmunk?
Unless-
Bushy, compact, and long flowering variety?
yeah, it must be this. I think I've seen those in gardens before.
And
Look, it's a
it says
bag.
with snowy white 2-inch flowers and raspberry red eyes, butterflies will be sure to spot this one.
Snoopy.
It looks
Snoopy.
even
Oh
better
no, he
than
can't
it
resist.
tastes.
Snoopy.
Don't ask us how we know that.
No, he's eating it. Seriously, dude?
Wow.
Go,
he
go,
looks
go,
dope.
go. Okay, can you get him and put him in the bathroom or something so you don't eat the plants?
Oh, you fat jerk!
You want?
I'm talking to the cat guy.
He's just a cat. He just wants to eat the plants. He thinks it was grass. Haha. Okay, let me
He
see.
licked his lips in annoyance as I put him away.
Next, we have some fertilizer. Yeah.
No, I don't want it in my eyes again.
Okay, it's probably worm castings and such.
This will go on my hands.
Okay, Adrian, put the squiggles over. Okay, I think that's the basket. Oh my gosh, it's bigger than I
It's
thought.
a basket. It's a basket.
Well, it has
it's
to be
a
able to fit
basket,
all of them,
It's a
yeah.
basket. It's a basket.
Wow, that's a big one.
Ooh, it has a smell. It smells kind of metallic.
Okay, so here's the basket it goes into.
Wow, you know, it's like an iron smell, I think.
Iron Man.
It smells pretty good. All this smells really
I
good. It
smell
smells
like
like fresh.
Iron Man because I
Built-in
am
water tray.
Iron Man.
Okay, that is really cool. That's gonna be fun.
Why do you smell like Iron Man? Because I am Iron Man.
Okay, hey, Krista, go ahead. I see another thing in there. Or Adrian.
Wait,
Wait, you pulled the basket.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Krista.
Oh,
You get the you get the poop.
soil.
what happens
There's also one other thing in there.
And then there's a black thing. There's more than
What
one
do you
thing.
do if Iron Man's face opens up and a hand pops out?
You cried.
Here's the soil that's going to be put in the basket.
So here's the soil. This they give you everything you need for the kit. I love this. It's so exciting to get this each month. Okay, so next thing is it's a worm. Okay, so I think this is how you tell if the plant needs to be watered or not. Worm the water sensor, yeah. So
So how's that work?
it's like I think it turns a different dark or wet when the plant is too wet and something like that. I can't remember. But it's so cute.
To make sure that you don't overwater
It says observe color of worm and place in soil of plant. If the soil is moist, worm will absorb moisture and its color will darken. As moisture level decreases, the worm dries out. Okay. And then it wiggles and dies. Oh, wait, let me get, and then you can get the thing for the pot. Okay, so here's what's the thing. Skyrocket. Actually, that was the skyrocket.
I yawn all the time. I'm not tired or bored.
Tick seed. And then there was the Hendrura helix glacier, English ivy. And I usually eat this. There's a Werther's original.
I think you left one in the basket one time and I ate it.
You ate my kit. No, that's okay. I probably forgot about it.
No, they're not.
Hey, make sure you put stuff on that tonight, Kay. And the last thing is
A magical rod to commit dark
a
magic
magical
spells.
rod so you could, hang your coconut basket with your plants.
Oh, Coco is here for Coco now.
Make sure you put them where your cats can't get them.
There we go.
Okay, so that's a fun box. I think that was it. Okay, that was a lot. Okay, so if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up.
I can think of some things I want to.
And if you would like to see more unboxings like that, please subscribe to our channel. Bye.